G'day guys, it's Mark here from Rockarmor, and right here we've got the all-new Dmax, and it's featuring the Rockarmor GT bull bar. The all-new GT bull bar from Rockarmor is a complete bumper replacement, so there's no need to chop your bumper when fitting this bar on. Pretty much taking your bar off, your factory bumper off, and replacing it with the full bumper replacement bull bar. Obviously just your first part of it is mounting for your lights. Now a lot of these bars that are coming out these days don't have light mounts, and we've made sure at Rockarmor that the bull bar will have options there to fit up to a 8.5 inch LED light. Another great feature that this bar comes with is built-in LED fog lights and built-in LED indicators. Now the LED fog light also comes with a daylight running light, so that will connect up to your factory settings into the vehicle. So there's no need to actually use your factory LED fog lights from your bumper. Pretty much that bumper, whatever's in there, just stays away. The bull bar is also sensor compatible. So if you've got front sensors on your Dmax, this will also be compatible for that. As you can see on this bull bar, we've also fitted up a Rockarmor winch. So the bull bar is also winch compatible. Another handy feature which comes with the GT bull bar, that it comes preloaded with rated recovery points. They're also shimmied here on the side, so you'll be able to use a soft shackle on these on the recovery points. To make sure that this bull bar is fully compatible when you're off-road, we've also included high lift jacking points here on the front of the bull bar, and that's also been double plated to 6mm steel, so they'll be able to withstand the force from your high lift jack. The bull bar features 52mm tubing all wrap around, so it's going to provide you great protection from any on-road collisions that may happen on road or off-road. For those who need to mount up their UHF antenna, the bull bar also features 2 left and right slotted antenna mounts. Then that will be able to make it easier for you to mount your UHF. You can be on the driver's side or the passenger side, or you may need both. Another great feature about this bull bar is the way how it sits. As well as the aggressive looks that it has and the aggressive lines that the bull bar has been featured with, the bull bar doesn't actually stick out too much. So if you've got a tight garage or tight space you may have to park in overnight, you shouldn't have any problems with this bull bar. When designing the GT bull bar, one thing that we had in mind was approach angles. We know that when you're off-road, the last thing you want to be doing is hitting this bull bar up against any rocks or whatever you may be driving over at the time. So as you can see, there's very high approach angles here on the front of it.